underwear. This wasn't underwear. Spring fling mom, really?
Huh?
So it's spring fling mom, really?
Do you know what? When I bought those, I just liked the color. I never saw the back until I was wrapping it the other day.
Oh, a penguin, mom.
Look at that.
Hey, use this tag off and this tag. Take both of these tags off.
Take those tags off. Okay.
I wonder what this is.
I know what this is.
How cute.
Underwear?
A rabbit Daffy!
Oh, look at you got one too.
I got one like you do.
Wonder what this is.
I can't
I don't know
imagine.
what this is.
More underwear. I like your colors there, Mom. Oh, fun.
You like this? That was the Christmas pastels.
No, I have them.
Oh, do you? I never see those.
I don't know what they are.
I
Well, now
finally
you know
got a
those are.
pair of socks.
Those are from Auntie Janet too.
Hey, Janet, look, I bought some socks for you.
No, they're from Auntie Janet.
Wow.
From Auntie Janet.
Oh.
Here. You know, I think this is to hang on the tree.